Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, HISWA. So friends, once again this is Asif, appear before you to learn about the LCM. This is the sixth number topic, chapter number 6, HCF and LCM, class 5th. Prior to this video, we have already learned about the HCF. So in this video, we are going to learn about the LCM. So have a look, friends. I have already taken two numbers, 12 and 16. In order to understand the LCM, first of all see about the multiples of 12 and 16. So have a look. Here the 12, the multiples of 12, you know about the multiple of 12 means 12, the table of 12. 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36 and so on. Okay. Similarly, multiples of 16, 16 table, 16 1 is 16, 16 2 is 32 and so on. Now we have to find the LCM. Suppose the LCM stands for lowest common multiple. First of all, find the common multiple. Here the common multiple is 48. Then next here 96 and so forth. Now we have already written here common multiples 48, 96 and etc. Okay. Now this is lowest common multiple. Lowest means सबसे छोटा, lowest. Now here the 48, 96 etc. So the lowest common multiple is the 48. That means here is the 48. That means the LCM of 12 and 16 is 48. This is the LCM. So hence we can define the LCM of the lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple of two or more numbers is the smallest of the common multiples of the given numbers. That means here the given numbers 12 and 16. So the least common multiple is, or the smallest common multiple is 48. So this is the LCM. Okay, I hope you will understand. Friends, now afterwards we will learn how to find LCM by first method, prime factorization method, and the second method, division method. Okay friends, now let us see. I have taken two questions from exercise 12, question number 1 and question number 2. Now see the question number 1, how to find the LCM by prime factorization method. Here the question first says find the LCM of the following numbers by factorization method. Here the word factorization, that means prime factorization method. That means first of all write all the given numbers separately as a prime factor. Here 25 can be written as 5 multiplied by 5, 5 5 is 25. 30 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30. Okay, this 40 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2, 3 times 2 multiplied by 5. Okay, now LCM. What about the LCM? First of all we have to choose, we have to collect. See the 5. Think about the 5. 5 can be repeated the most time as 2. So here 5 can be written as 2 times. Now think about 2. 2 can, here the 2 is 3 times. The maximum times of 2 repeated as 3 times. So here written as 3 times. 2 can be written as 3 times. And now what about 3? 3 is only 1 time. So here is 3 1 time. Then the product of all these numbers gives us the LCM. So the product of all these numbers is 600. So this is answer. Okay. Now see the next second number questions. It says find the LCM of the numbers by division method. It's very simple, division method. That means first of all we have to write the given numbers. In the first row I have already written 21, 63, 105. Now and we have to divide all these numbers by prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So now we have applied the 3, and how many times 3 that can divide 21? 3 7 is 21, and this can be divided by 21 times. 3 2 is 6 and 3 1 is, yes, this can be divided by 35 times. Once again 7 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21, and 7 5 ja 35. Now we have to stop the step. Why? Because there is no common factor other than 1. Okay, now we have to write the LCM and write the numbers here. Here is the all division numbers. Write the numbers as a product and write the all the numbers here at the last row. Here 3 multiply by 7, here multiply by 3 and multiply by 5. If we multiply all these numbers, this gives us the LCM. That is how to find the LCM by division method, and this was the factorization method. Okay, I hope you will understand. So this is your homework, friends. Exercise 12 homework, question number 1 and 2. Here question number 1 has 4 sub questions and 2 as well. I hope you will understand. You can solve all the questions 1 and 2. Have a nice day.